Hi, today I wanted to share with you the rock tips. It's a liquid callus formula for string instruments. Recently, I decided to pick up a ukulele, and of course, day 4 of practicing it, and my fingertips are on fire. So somebody told me that I should try the liquid callus on my fingertips to help me out with the pain, and I decided to try it with you. Now, I read the instructions. I'm supposed to put it on clean and dry fingertips and wait for 1 minute. And after reading the instructions, it kind of feels like it probably is something like crazy glue. I haven't tried it yet, but let's see if I'm correct in what I'm thinking, how it's going to feel. So I just opened it, and let's see. I'm going to put it on my fingertip. Apparently, I'm supposed to do it fast. And that's it. And here's the other one. And it says that if one coat isn't enough, I should put on a second coat. And apparently it should take about a minute to dry. And today I might need my pinky finger too. So during my lesson, so I'm going to cover that one too. So it says that if I want to remove it, I should wash it and peel it off. Some people in the reviews described it as having a nail polish on their fingertips. By the way, it's hot in here, so I'm a little bit melting. Anyhow, so this is a soprano ukulele. I just got today my concert ukulele too, because one ukulele isn't enough, of course. It's better to start with 2, obviously. So let's see. I don't know if it's been a minute or not, but yeah, I mean, it feels hard. Yeah, and it does feel kind of like crazy glue on my fingertips. So let's try. And I've been having a difficult time with the F chord, I think, right? That's what it is. And I'm thinking that maybe if I thought that maybe this hardness on my fingertip can help me with actually pressing it a little bit harder and being a little bit more precise. Yep. It does already feel better. Ow. Although my middle finger feels a little bit sensitive still. So I'm gonna apply another coat on all of my fingers, because I don't feel like feeling pain at all today. I might take a few hours practicing today, especially since I got my new ukulele too, so. That's it. So I still have to dry it again. The instructions do say that you shouldn't put it on any cracks or wounds on your skin. So watch out for that. So let's see. No, not yet. Oops. Not yet. This is how it looks when it's completely dry. So maybe it's like with nail polish, the more coats you have, the longer it takes to dry. Now I'm afraid to touch it. No, it's a little bit pressure. Let's see. Oh, no, not yet. Look at that. Maybe I put a little bit too much on it, on my fingers for the second coat, just to make sure that it was enough, but I guess now I have to wait a little bit longer for it to dry. No, still not. Yeah. Okay. So I guess the second coat should be a little thinner, because it takes forever to dry. So it's dry here, but I don't feel like it's dry on this side yet. So it's been quite a few minutes. I mean, I think it is dry, so let's see. Let's try it again. Let's see. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. Oh, gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. All right, so disregard my playing, so please do not judge too harshly, but my fingers definitely feel much better with this Rock Tips liquid callus formula. I guess if I didn't have it and I had crazy glue at home, crazy glue would help with it too. I don't know if it's toxic or not, maybe it is, but apparently it is a non-toxic formula. So I give this thing my 2 thumbs up. It's definitely helpful, at least when starting with a string instrument, because I mean, it's already painful to learn something new, but to actually be in pain, physical pain while learning something new is even worse. So this thing should help a beginner.